On the Mount of Olives, there is a small chapel built on an ancient crusader mihrab. It's 3 p.m. on May the 28th, and the feast of the Ascension of the risen Jesus begins. Latins, Copts, Syriacs, Greeks, everyone gathers at the same site to allow the celebrations tent become liturgical spaces. As each group follows its own rite and the friars of the custody pray the first vespers, the scene resembles something from the Old Testament. Throughout the night, masses are celebrated every hour. The following morning at 5 a.m., the solemn Eucharist is presided over by the custodial vicar of the Holy Land, Brother Ibrahim Faltas. At dawn, while the night birds sing their last notes, Father Faltas reminds everyone that the Ascension is the seal of Christ's mission and the beginning of the Church's mission. It marks the transition from a visible, limited presence of the Lord to an inner presence, boundless and universal. The Ascension is Christ's presence given to all times and all spaces. He entrusts his mission into our fragile hands. Why do you stand looking up to heaven? Heaven begins every time we choose justice, forgiveness, peace. It is time to love and proclaim, Father Ibrahim continues, that even when reality pulls us down like in Gaza and we wonder where is God, the answer is this very gospel. Christ ascending into heaven carries with him the wounds of Gaza and all the tears of Jerusalem, because nothing is excluded from the Father's heart. But the Ascension is not an escape, it is mission. The disciples were sent, and we are also sent. We must bring heaven to earth, and this is not an abstract task. It is the concrete vocation of each day, working for unity, building peace, remaining human. This is a message to the whole world. Before the many, too many uncountable victims in Gaza, do not look away. Do not stand looking up at heaven while forgetting your responsibility toward the earth. Christ ascended into heaven so we might become capable of carrying his light down here. We, people of the Holy Land, people of the cross and resurrection, say today, hope is everyone's mission. It begins today from this mount, from this city, but it is up to us to disarm and rebuild this land now, with Christ within us.